Hello guys, welcome back to MJ Crypto. And like you already know, I give you valid information on particular sports coins you need to buy and hold that will appreciate in value over the coming weeks, right? Good. A beautiful pair here is EPS slash USDT on Binance or any other exchange. You can find them on. This is actually very interesting because the indicator here has actually proven that this coin is going to be bullish within the coming days and weeks. The CCI indicator has actually confirmed the buy signal, and the RSI definitely has confirmed the buy signal, even in addition with the moving averages. All right. So if you're looking forward to a coin that will most likely perform well with the coming weeks, EPS USDT is a good pair and you can actually take advantage of this. If you want more coins, watch the previous video I made on the CCI and the Chandelier Exits previously to know how to set up your indicators and get the most out of this. The second coin I'm going to be showing you is called the Zen. I'm going to type that in right now. Zen USDT pair. Good. You can see the indicator has actually given a buy signal right from the bottom, and the price has actually retraced back, confirming that with the CCI and the RSI indicator setup. Basically, this is a good chance and a good time to actually buy this token right now on spot wallet, because even though we're actually on a bear run, prices are actually still going to go high for some altcoins because money will flow out from BTC into other altcoins, and this is actually a sure banker. Basically, another beautiful pair, this is actually the third on the list, is the MDT slash USDT pair. You can get this on exchanges like Binance and the others. All right, beautiful. Now this coin right here, the indicator has given a buy signal on the daily time frame, and the CCI has confirmed it, as well as the RSI, right? So you can actually look out for this coin in the coming days and the coming weeks. It's actually going to be bullish, at least to this resistance here, 0.067336, right? Good. So this is another pair you should look out for. And then the number 4 coin you need to actually look out for in the coming days and the coming weeks is Forth slash USDT pair, FORTH slash USDT. You can see here the indicator has given a buy signal, and the CCI has actually crossed towards the upside, confirming it further with price action. We'll have a bullish engulfing pattern, and the RSI has given a clear confirmation because it has crossed over the moving average. So basically, this coin is one that you will want to look out for in the coming days and the coming weeks. Cheers, guys. Don't forget this episode on setups like this are actually sponsored by BitGet Exchange. BitGet is top 4 CMC coin market cap as one of the best derivative exchanges in the world. All right. If you do need copy trading to copy my signals directly from BitGet, the link will be in the description of this video. And if you need mentorship and signals directly from source, which is me, the setups and everything, send us a DM straight on the link in the description of this video. Cheers, guys. I'm going to be posting the updates on the BTC price action, what BTC is most likely to do in the coming days and weeks. Cheers, guys. Have a good time.